Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I have another casting from KK's. It is a fantasy casting. Its name is Little Roar, or you can say Little Roar. So yes, as you can see here, it is a fantasy casting. So I am actually excited to unbox this. Usually I don't buy fantasy casting, but because it is a little bit of quirky and cute, because of that reason I have bought this. So let's start this video. So as you can see here, it is fantasy casting, and it is a part of safari mode, and it is 5 out of 5, and it is a factory faced 2025 new casting, and part of 203 out of 250. As you can see here, the livery art card is looking great. The art card is looking actually great. It almost look like a real card, but no, it is just a fantasy casting. And the livery rate finishing and the number of 2 is everything is looking great. The blister is a little big, but it is the card is actually a compact off-road card. So yes, because of that, only that reason, I instead of real card, it is a fantasy casting, but still I have bought this because of these things. Okay, so by doing this, let's unbox this casting, shall we? Before unboxing, I would like to mention that I have bought this from a local shop at 179, which is a MRP. And again I am saying ki don't buy from scalpers, because nowadays scalpers are everywhere, and if you are buying from scalpers, by doing this, what you guys are doing, ki you guys are encouraging those scalpers. So please, I am again requesting, don't encourage them, and try to look out for other shopkeepers, or contact your own local shopkeepers. They will arrange you, and by doing this, you will encourage those shopkeepers that they will buy for you guys. And trust me, every shopkeepers will gonna help you out if you guys actually ask them, or if they understand that you guys are actually into Hot Wheels, so they will somehow arrange this. Okay, so by doing this, let's unbox. Let's start the unboxing. Come on out, please. Just look at this casting. Nobody will gonna tell it is a fantasy casting. It's almost looking like a original licensed card, but it is a fantasy casting. Even at the very beginning, I was surprised and I thought it is an actual card, but later I got to know it is a fantasy casting. Just look at the livery, the number 2, the off-road wheels are there. Actually, I like these wheels, and look at the livery and the rate finishing. Everything is so detailed and nice. As you can see here, the Hot Wheels logo is here, the number 2 is here, and extra tires are here also. So yes, it is a very good casting, and it is one of the favorite fantasy casting from KK's. It's totally my opinion. The finishing, the color art is absolutely looking great. So if you want me to rate this casting, I will rate 6.8, because it is a fantasy casting obviously. But apart from that, the livery, color, the wheelbase, everything is so detailed and so nice. The body is pure metal and the chassis is plastic. Okay, so yes, I actually genuinely like this casting. It is one of my favorite fantasy casting as whole collection, and obviously from KK's also. Yes, it is a very compact casting. I like that casting. So again I am saying I will rate this casting 6.5 or 7, in between. So by doing this, I am wrapping up today's video. Hope you guys are enjoying my video. If you guys enjoying my video, please subscribe my channel, and you guys can put a comment on this video if you want to, like, and you guys can watch my other videos also. By doing this, today I am wrapping up my video. Thumbs up.